Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to find the CVV number on your credit card. The reason you want to know this is the CVV or card verification value is a key security feature for online transactions. It ensures that only the cardholder can use the card for purchases, providing an extra layer of protection against fraud. This video is perfect for anyone new to online shopping or those who aren't sure where to locate the CVV on their credit card. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way to the end to learn how to find your CVV number on your credit card. So really, it is super simple to find the CVV number on your credit card. First things first, you want to get the card out, make sure it's the correct card, make sure that it's a credit card, and make sure that all the information on the front is correct. What I mean by this is make sure that your name is on there, make sure that the number's on there, and make sure that your card is not expired. Once you check these things, what you want to do is flip your card over, and right here you will see the CVV right here, plain as day. So it is right under the signature strip. That's one way that you can always remember where to find it, and it is usually 3 digits. Sometimes it's 4 digits, but in most cases your CVV for your credit card will be 3 digits located right underneath the signature strip. And that's really all there is to it, to finding your CVV on your credit card. And before we say our goodbyes, here are some tips you can take home with you. Tip number 1 is the CVV is usually a 3-digit code located on the back of most credit cards right near the signature strip. Tip number 2 is for American Express cards, the CVV is a 4-digit number on the front of the card above the card number. The third tip is to never share your CVV code with anyone unless you're completing a secure and trusted transaction. The fourth and final tip is if your CVV is scratched or unreadable, contact your bank or credit card provider for assistance. And with all that being said, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please be sure to drop a like, and also be sure to share this video with a friend or a family member, or really just anybody at that. But most importantly, be sure to subscribe for more future tutorials. And with that, I hope you guys had a great day, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. Peace out.